What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. Solution for every problem starts with an idea, so here are mine. Our pattern of demand is leading towards deforestation and disturbing ecosystem. We live in a society where a forest belt is destroyed just to build a resort over it, which is based on a concept of bringing nature close to humans by artificially creating one. We all know about the problem, and I won't repeat it as it's already being circulated. So, I am here to give you 6 practical solutions which are possible according to my knowledge. The expansion by the intruders into the forest belt need to be examined in the field of forest animal population and their undisturbed life. Demarcation of the forest land by a physical boundary so that the forest department has a tangible area to protect and also to check on the unauthorized person inside the boundary. Solar based CCTV cameras need to be installed on the circumference, which would follow a concentric circle pattern which has a factors of 2 kilometers radius. This would help to track the movement of animals and also any misconduct. Patrolling needs to be strict if it's not at present, or increase the number of personals in case if the present one are overburdened. Portraying animal as a villain in a book or in a movie need to be banned. As a child, we develop negative feeling towards it and we tend to disrespect their space and their rights to live. This might be funny or impractical for few of you, but just think, who would have thought that a pregnant elephant would be fed with a fruit filled with crackers in it? I realize that every human are not in the same state of mind when they are growing. So this step might help, and I am ready to sacrifice my entertainment if even one animal is being saved by this step in a longer run. I understand isolating forest belt completely is not practical as modes of transportations need to pass through it. So this brings us to the sixth solution, which is inspired by the Tirupati administration. The in time and out time of a particular vehicle from is being captured and compared with the average time taken to complete that particular stretch. And if the vehicle delays the exit by considerable amount of time, then they need to be interrogated. At last, I request, in case if you aren't able to do anything good to those animal out there, at least don't harm them. There are few people out there who treat them as their responsibility. So just appreciate them for their wonderful work, and let's make this world a better place for everyone. I will not ask you to like or subscribe to my channel. Rather, share this as much as possible, and also I would request each and every one of you to comment one solution in a comment section below. So yeah, until then, keep converting all the challenges into opportunities. That's how we grow. And see you in my next video. Until then, peace.